You kissed a ball.
Holy shit, man, I'm drunk as fuck. Yeah, shit.
You just peed.
Holy shit.
Golf club. Back there.
I get it, don't worry. I gotta piss.
Don't do it now.
Why not?
Cause you still in the tee box and people are watching you.
Who the fuck is watching TV?
Yeah.
Fuck, man. Why let me drink that shit?
I didn't make you.
Yeah, you did! Motherfucker.
You gotta get your hat. Wake up.
Time to wake up?
Yep, time to get up. Time to go to work.
Holy shit, I can't work in no cars. If I leave the fucking hole out.
We'll make sure we're sound good to go.
I think my foot's broken. Look.
No, it's just a sock coming off. You need to get your shoes back on.
Come here, baby. Let me hug you.
No.
Give me a fucking hug. Oh, shit.
You're done, homie. All right, get up.